Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add phone number to your Discord account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First you need to open Discord application. Once you open Discord, then you need to click on your profile at the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on my account. So here you can see the option of phone. Click on that option and here you need to select your country code and then you need to enter your phone number. I'm going to add my phone number here. Then you need to click on next and then you need to click on verify. So you will receive a 6-digit code on your number. Put that code here. Copy and put that here. So I need to remember the code. So you can see that I need to enter my password here to confirm. Then I need to click on tick. So you can see that my phone number is updated. So by following these steps, you can easily add your phone number in Discord. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.